work hard at doing nothing all day. They mostly come out at night. Mostly. The best part of figuring things out is doing it on your own rather than looking it up first, unless you're really stumped. So, I think the pronunciation of this coin is Joaquin. Well, maybe that's not right. Jagoan. Jagoan? I don't know. But let's get into it. Oh look, we're on mining pool stats. Imagine that. Alright, let's click on the coin. And we'll go to our plant. And we'll go to connect. We're going to click on Bitcoin Talk. And then we're going to actually click on their website and take a quick look at it. It may be different for everyone, but when I go to a website, I want to understand what I'm looking at and what I might be looking for. From the homepage, I get it. It's, a mineable coin and it's crypto, but I don't know exactly what it does. And, just a thing of mine, I'd like to see what it does on the homepage because I don't like digging. Alright, let's go get the wallet while I just arbitrarily click on things all over the place. So click on the GitHub or open it in a new page. And we're going to get the Windows version. Click on that and let her download. And yes, I'm a little bit quick on the draw there. Alright, right click it, extract it. Just for reference, I'm using WinRAR extractor. So we're going to go in there and we're going to copy it into the root of the main folder. And yeah, let's just replace everything. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, go ahead. And we're going to open up the wallet. We're going to go through the setup. We're going to use the default directory. It's going to use up potentially 4 gigs of data at least. So we're going to click OK. And it's going to load the wallet and we're going to allow it through the firewall. And it's connecting to peers, which right after that it would start to sync. While it's doing that, let's see what VirusTotal has to say about it. It says it's clean as a whistle, which does inspire some confidence in me. But once again, just because it says it's clean doesn't mean it is clean. Hack tool over a Tor? Yeah, I don't know about that. But Kaspersky is Russian, so we don't know. Alright. While we're waiting, let's download some mining software. We're going to use XMRig, and it's going to use the Ghostwriter algorithm. Alright, enough tomfoolery. Let's download the win64.zip file. And it's ready to go. And while we're at it, we're going to take a look at what our address might be for our crypto coin. So let's go back and we're going to go to the downloads folder. And we're going to extract the XMRig. Just kidding, we're going to check it out in VirusTotal. I haven't seen this much red since the 2008 stock market. So a lot of them say it's CoinMiner, which it is, but there could be other things in there. We don't know. That's why we test these things and, word of mouth community. Just because someone puts out software doesn't mean it's good to go for everybody. So I do that thing where I paste everything to the root and delete the folder of the folder. And then I start checking each one, and once again, we got a sea of red. No, I don't want to sign in. So we're going to check the .sys file. And that's all there is to check. Everything else is a batch file or a JSON file, not to be confused with Mr. Voorhees. Alright, let's start mining already. Now, we're going to use the miner config for XMRig. We're going to click on Windows, America, put our wallet address in there, and there it is. Now we're going to open up the solo mine example, which is probably the wrong one. We should probably use the pool mine example and probably give it a real name. And we paste in there, save it, and we're going to run it. Just a word to the wise, when people say run as administrator or turn off your firewall or turn off your antivirus, be a little suspicious. Alright, it looks like we're mining, but we're actually going to restart because large pages will be enabled once we reboot. It touts that it can increase hash rate from 20 to 30%, which most people will be with that. So yeah, I'm all about that. Reboot done. Run riskily as administrator. And let her rip. So it looks like it's working, but we need to trust but verify, which some say is an old Russian proverb or something somebody told the president once. So what you just saw me do there was I hit some keys, C for the connection, S for results, P to pause, and R to resume, and then I just hit H for hash rate. Something that just annoys me is brightness of screens. So what I like to do is go up to the settings and change it to the dark theme. And that's so much better. And we're gonna go to our wallet and we're gonna figure out what our address is. We're gonna click on it once and be denied. We're gonna click on it again and be impatient. And it's going to show up twice with two different addresses. But you know what? We already have the address in our batch file, so why am I fooling around there? So we're going to open up the batch file and we're going to copy and paste that address into the search for the wallet. And we're going to click the, what is that thing called? Magnifying glass, yes. And we're going to see what's going on. Now, sometimes we have to have a little patience. Yeah, just a little patience. Alright, let's at least wait till we see some hash rate in the pool. Even though it's accepted, I'm always paranoid. There it is. All is right in the world. Where is the wallet? Well, let's find it. I'm going to go in the magnifying glass and type in %app_data% and hit enter. I lied. I'm going to go up and click on the folder. And this is typically where the Qt wallets live. So here's the Jagoan core. And if you open it up, it has the blockchain and your wallet. Basically everything you need So there is your Wallet.Dat file. Thanks for the watchings.